Edgeware have outdoor DC UPS system. We also have outdoor AC UPS system. But we prefer DC UPS system instead of AC UPS system. Why? Because you see that if you really understand the development of the circuit of the whole system, you understand that actually nothing is using AC system. If you go deeply into the circuit, especially into the chipset, you will find that most of the system is using DC. So when you are using AC system, they accept AC power and change it to DC power in the system, then feed it to the chipset, feed to the function unit. So AC change it to DC, you will lost power, right? You will lost the efficiency, right? So why can't we just feed the power directly to the system with DC? And remember that we can unify the whole system with the DC and make the whole system smaller, because if it is DC system, the whole system is smaller compared with the AC system, and then this way also the efficiency is higher. But you see that many customers they insist design AC system. The reason is limited by their devices, limited by their load, because most of the devices you can find in the market is AC, right? So they use a power adapter, AC power adapter, or let's say power plug, and to change the AC to DC and feed it to your devices, right? That's what they can find in the market. So finally make the whole system AC. But you see, we can help you to simplify the system. For example, if you have one ONT, let's say the ONT, you have a power adapter, change AC to DC and feed to your ONT, right? We can help you to make the plug and feed the power DC directly to your ONT. For example, DC12, DC24, DC48, whatever. But with that way, for example, we have a main power is DC48, we can change to DC24, DC12, DC5, whatever, easily. On the other hand, the adapt to the interface of the ONT is our job. But it's quite difficult to persuade all my customers accept this idea. We can help you. It's not really necessary to make the whole system AC,